Hey guys, what's going on? Beautiful Thursday afternoon. It's been quite a few months since we've had good weather, and my boat decided not to work anymore the last time I took it out. I confirmed it's a Stator, so I got the part in. I just haven't had time to change it out. But today, perfect day to do that. I got the cowling off, and there's really only two steps to change a Stator. First step, you want to take the flywheel off. It's 24 millimeter bolt up top, and you also need a flywheel puller. I actually went to AutoZone and got a harmonic balancer puller kit. $20 deposit, and then you get it back once you return it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the flywheel off and go from there. First step, flywheel needs to be taken off. So I actually had trouble taking this off earlier, but I mean, if you try to loosen it, the actual flywheel will turn as well. So you kind of need to counter react the I guess the force that's being put on the nut. So I grabbed a ratchet strap, put it on this pull start little catch thing, and give it a little turn. So like so. Just pull on this, and then counter it with the wrench or the yeah. So actually, you don't want to take it off all the way, because once you start putting tension on that flywheel, it might actually come up with force. So I'm going to leave the nut on there. The harmonic balancer is kind of universal, because you could actually space it out whatever dimensions you have. So there's that. I've actually never used one of these, but I think it's pretty straightforward. So you have three from the factory. So I guess you just place this on top, and then they have a bunch of different screws or lag bolts you put it on to secure it down. Alright, I finally got the flywheel off with the help of some impact tools. So pull that off. This is a stator. Alright, flywheel is off. Stator is right below it. So I guess I need some Allen key wrenches and that should come off. Alright, stator's loose and there's a few connections here, looks like leading up to the whatever those are, so I'm just going to give those an unplug. So I just pull it apart. Yep, yellow to yellow. Come off. Sorry, stator. Alright, there it is. Hopefully I got the right part. I bought it off eBay because, you know, I can't afford OEM. So here it is. It's a 1997, this is a 1996, 120 horsepower, that's true, Mercury Force, so has the right connections, 2 yellow, a green, and a white and green, so old one, new one. I don't think this is OEM, it actually might be CDI. Turn. Alright, now it should be good to start. I just gotta connect the wires and bring the garden hose up and put on the muffs, see what happens. Hasn't ran in a few months, but telltale sign, the Chris is coming out. I actually put fuel stabilizer in for the winter, so I'm going to let it run through a little bit and then spray some fogging oil in the head.